blue scale is for calculating ram rise. Theoretically, uncorrected air temperature gauges give ram air temperature, not total air temperature. However, in many aircraft, the gauge is incorrectly labelled TAT. What you see on the gauges can also be called indicated outside air temperature, or IOAT. RAT or TAT or indicated OAT is higher than the static air temperature because of kinetic and adiabatic heating. Static air temperature is sometimes called corrected outside air temperature, or COAT. OAT on its own stands for outside air temperature and is usually taken to mean static air temperature. The relationship between them is that total air temperature equals static air temperature plus ram rise. On the slide rule face of the nav computer, there is a blue scale. The outer scale is true airspeed, and the inner scale is ram rise. If the TAS is 400 knots, the ram rise is plus 17 degrees. So if, at 400 knots TAS, we have a TAT of, for example, minus 22 degrees Celsius, then the static air temperature would be minus 39 degrees Celsius.